It's so, 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 so nice. The sea here is diabolical. Diabolical.
Hi there, if you're new here, welcome. If not, I'm glad you're back. Well, you can just sit in the couch while others live their best lives, or you make a better one by doing any one of the 146 other things. No, I'm just glad you all are joining me in a course of research as we stumble what life has to offer aside from gossip. Oh, anyway, with the disclaimer of being one of the most mundane person in the world, I'm just Megan.
What do you take when the future is bigger than a suitcase? You take courage, you take hope, you take the quiet belief that you'll figure it out. 30 kilograms means choosing freedom over comfort. It means trusting that what I'm leaving behind will wait and what's meant for me will meet me there. So, just a little room tour. This is my luggage. This is the bed. Then there's like a couch here. Then the window. Yeah, there's a freaking balcony. Oh my god. Let's go check the bathroom. Look at that, guys. Very cozy, very nice. Hey guys, so we're currently in Maldives. So, this is how it feels like to live in paradise. I'm currently in Hulhumale in Maldives. And yeah, I just can't believe that I packed my whole life in a 30 kg luggage. So if you're in your 20s, you really make crazy decisions and always remember to do it. I just can't believe that I'm looking at the sea now in Male, in Maldives. And it's really, really nice. So this is how it feels like to live in paradise. Look at that. The sea here is diabolical. Diabolical. It's so, 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 so nice. Also, the food here is really good, but it really depends if you like Indian food. But I really like Indonesian, Indian. What else? Also, Thai food. Yeah, it's really good here. So I think that's not gonna be a problem. I'm gonna tell you a secret. I actually packed like a lot of pancit canton in my luggage. Good morning, guys. Oh my god, I look like a potato right now. But yeah, we're gonna get ready first. Well, I already had my coffee, which is the first order of business. And now, of course, we need to get ready. So, I actually brought like a lot of sunscreen here. And let me just show you guys my like SPF products. This is from Beach Hat. It has 100 SPF, which is
really crazy. And we also have this after sun, like sunscreen. I don't know if it's still sunscreen, but it smells really good. That's why I got this one. The first one is nice, and then I'll just top it off later. And I just still can't believe that I moved here, which is really crazy. You really do stupid things or crazy things in your 20s. And of course, you will get that intrusive thoughts and make sure to follow them. It might be the best decision ever in a super laid back life or like island life. Oh my god. God, I don't want to put like a lot, but I keep on talking and then I put a like a lot. I don't really like putting like foundation. It really looks very cakey. Concealer is better, so let's just wipe this off. I already wiped off my foundation, so concealer. I decided that concealer really is much better rather than like foundation. It really makes your skin looks very cakey. Of course, don't want that. And I actually forgot to bring like a setting spray. This is like one of the disadvantages when you're living in Ireland. You might be living your best life, but the products, like there's scarcity. Scarcity. Well, and then we're gonna use this blush from Get Ready With Me. What I like about this, it smells really, really good. I don't know. It has this like nutty, very nutty smell. And when it comes to like scents, I'm into that nutty or like gourmet scents. If you ever like smell the Billie Eilish perfume or just like this one, I'll give you a sample. Vanilla Bean and Macadamia from VS. That's like nutty or like the Billie Eilish perfume. We've got this one. I think this one is really nice because it's like a blush and highlighter in one. I don't really put like a lot of makeup because my skin is very sensitive. I don't really like putting like a lot of products. But this sea salt itsy bitsy hair protector spray smells really good. Now I just need to like iron my hair for a little bit. It looks really dry though. I'll just finish this one. Yeah, I think my hair is already done. And for lipstick, I just go with a like natural shade. I'm not really into like dark shades. Sometimes, sometimes, whenever I'm in a bad mood, I like to wear like a bold color. I don't know, is it just me or it like enhances my mood or something? Some highlighter. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. not supposed to be like this. I don't really want to look like I have my own ring light. Pigment. I guess this is the final look. So I did not put any foundation. Also, no like powder, like pressed powder, concealer, blush. I also forgot to put some contour, but it's fine. Oh, I think I'll top it off with that SPF.
Oh my god.
Why did I do that? And then my lashes. I keep saying it's done, but I keep forgetting. Like a lot of. Oh, oh my gosh. God, that woke me up more than coffee. Oh my god. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. And I think, guys, it's really a smart move. For example, you have like favorite like country. I think rather than having a vacation at that certain country, you can actually move there. You can find a job. So it's like getting paid while living your best life. Of course, you need to find a job that suits you or your capabilities. And also, there's a ton of paperwork. So if you're too lazy for that, then you're gonna stay or stuck forever in your current situation. So don't be lazy. Do the work. Yeah, this is the final.
Oh my god, can you see the beach? So I'm just having a walk for today, and this is where I'm having a walk. Really, really nice view. I need you now, la, 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 la. I'm actually looking for a shop, but I don't have any internet right now, so I can't even look it up at Google Maps. So this is really crazy. I don't know where the exact location of the shop is, but every day here is an adventure, especially if you don't know any of their language and you don't have any internet, right? I don't even know where I'm going now, but that's fine. This is a very, very, very long island, white sand island, and I'm the only person here. As you can see, that. Maldives, an island I've only imagined, a life I haven't lived yet, a version of me that feels lighter already. I learned quickly that moving isn't about packing things, it's about deciding who you're becoming.
Update, I still couldn't find the shop. I just wanna buy some snacks. I haven't eaten junk foods for quite a while now, and it's freaking killing me.
I finally found the shop, and when I went inside, I went really crazy. I just want to grab everything. The journey is totally worth it. The snacks and the drinks here are very interesting.
Hello guys, so I just went out for a walk. Grabe, nakakapagod. Whew. Okay, so right now I'm gonna give you a haul of the things that I got. Like sa parang they call it shop, pero sa atin sa Philippines we call it like a convenience store. Yeah, pero parang convenience store na rin. It's like a one-stop shop. So I'm gonna show you the things that I got. Let me just sit here. Okay, so the first one is this. This is 0% alcohol because alcohol here is illegal. Can you believe it? So if people are having really, really fun, that's them, sober. Which is really crazy. This is a non alcoholic beer. I really, really want to taste it, but I haven't eaten anything yet. So I don't know if this is good for my stomach. So this is a blend of lychee and coconut. I can't wait to taste this. But I'm my intrusive thoughts really telling me to taste it right now. So let's go. Oh. Okay, let's do the taste test. Wait, I feel like there is a butterscotch alcoholic drink in the Philippines that tastes like this. Tastes like butterscotch, mixture of lychee and coconut. Since I open it, I don't really want to finish this one. Why did I open it? I always let my intrusive thoughts win. Like, oh my god. Okay, the second one is this coconut crunchy biscuit. I wanna taste this also. Oh my god. The coconut crunchy biscuit. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with coconut flavored like snacks or anything that has coconut on it. Okay, I feel like this is really tasty. Actually, this one I already know because this is my favorite. This is the Loker classic wafer. Guys, if you haven't tried this yet, you really need to try. This is very, very good. I don't know. I don't know about you, but this is really, really good for me. This is like my favorite snack. This is like my favorite snack ever since I was a kid. So this is really, really good. I already know that. And then we also have this faluda, basil and nata de coco plus noodle. It's a drink. Feeling ko para lang siyang tapioca. I feel like we just call it tapioca.
in the Philippines, banana flavored. Also, in drinks or smoothies, I really prefer banana. Some people really go for mango all the time, but me, I really prefer banana smoothies, banana shake, or anything that is banana flavored, just like this one. I feel like this is really, really good. I'll just ask downstairs if I can like put this in the fridge because I feel like this is good if it's cold. Then the next item that we got this cup noodles. Probably just a basic cup noodles, but I feel like it's very spicy. Seems like everything here is really, really spicy. Just like Thailand, they're similar. Everything in Thailand, it's spicy, even though you will request to like make it not spicy or just mid, it's still spicy. And then we have, of course, buldak. I can't believe that I saw buldak here. Actually, I have like pancit canton, only five of them. Let me just show you. Well, let me just show you the pancit canton that I got. Only got four pieces, which is really sad, but that's fine. This is not good for me. This is not good for your health, but if you feel like really sick of eating the food that I have here, this is your savior. We also got matcha, like a matcha powder, but I don't really know where I can buy the whisk, but that's fine. I have the matcha powder now, so I can just make my own matcha. Almost every shop here, um, especially the cafes and the restaurants, they have like they sell everything in dollars. So that is really crazy if you're from a third world country. So the next item that I got is this banana cake. I'll just try one snack first, and if it's good, of course, I'll come back for more. Everything that has banana or coconut, I feel like it's automatically good. So they gave me this free chopsticks. We got Pringles, and I just got the small one because it seems like they don't have that plastic lid. Feels like kailangan mo talaga siyang ubusin. Because in the Philippines, we have plastic lids on the top of the Pringles. So, pwede kang kumuha ng kaya mo lang kainin and then you can put it back. But I just got the small ones. They don't have like plastic lid on their Pringles here. Of course, I also got Coca-Cola. I feel like this is really, really essential. And it's really, really cute. The size, my hand is actually so small. So, ganito lang. Ganito lang siya. It's really, really cute. Let me just check ilang ml siya. Yung 100 ml, parang sa cosmetics lang yon, right? This is only 185. That's how cute this is. This is super, super cute. This is really, really cute. And nothing goes wrong with Coca-Cola. Cool ice cream soda. This tastes like ice cream as well, which is really, really crazy. When I went inside the shop, actually, as you know, I really had a hard time finding the shop. But when I finally saw it and when I went inside, I just went really, really crazy. Everything is in there. Well, not everything, but most of the snacks. It's just that I don't want to like buy everything that I need so that I have a reason to go for a walk every morning, or not every morning, probably every other day. Hey guys, it's currently June 18, 4:42 p.m. here, and I just got back from the beach. So I actually want to watch this series. I'm actually waiting for it for quite a long time because I don't really know the reason why they keep on postponing the release of this K drama. Can these love be translated? Kim Sonu is one of my favorite actor, and then Go Yoon Jong is really my top one in like the actresses. I really love her series. What you call this? The the one with the medical theme drama. I forgot. Their resident playbook. She's so pretty there. Just having like cashew and then almonds for snacks while I'm watching.